Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time of stopping by in my channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing a skin lightening remedy that would help you to remove some dead skin cells, like peel off those dead skin cells. It will unclog your pores, leaving your skin evenly toned and youthful. Alright, so if you want to know what comprises of my ingredients, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video for your friends to see. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, that way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Follow me on Instagram, guys. I'd love to see you there. So let's right into this video. Love mask. Well, we're gonna be needing a gelatin powder. Now this gelatin powder, you can buy that in a baking shop in a local market, or you can buy that in a supermarket. All right, I'm actually just telling you guys so you don't ask me at the comment section. I hope you got that. Gelatin helps to unclog the pores. Now when you apply gelatin on your skin, it gets to dry up, and then you peel it off, and then it unclog the white heads, the black heads, the pigmentation, leaving your skin smooth. It reveals a brighter and glowing skin, and it also helps alongside with other natural lightening agents to whiten up your skin, okay, for the interest of people who want to lighten up their skin. Alright, so the next ingredients we're going to be needing for this skin lightening remedy is going to be rice powder. Rice powder is essential for the skin because it helps to unclog and remove pigmentation. It helps to reveal a brighter skin. It contains a whitening property that helps to lighten up the skin, leaving the skin looking younger, glowing, and beautiful. Using rice powder on your skin consistently would evenly lighten up and polish up, therefore glowing up your skin. Alright, so the next ingredients we're going to be needing is rose water and glycerin. Now rose water helps to calm the redness on the skin. It helps to repair and moisturize your skin. If you have a damaged skin, a burnt skin, rose water is going to help you, alongside with glycerin, which helps to remove sunburns, dermatitis, and it also helps for pigmentations. Alright, so rose water gently remove dead skin cells, therefore revealing a brighter and more radiant, lightened skin. Okay, and the last ingredients we are going to be needing for this would be vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E capsule is loaded with anti-wrinkle and anti-inflammatory property, which help to reduce the appearances of wrinkles and fine lines, and it also helps to leave your skin looking youthful, radiant, and glowing. It removes pigmentation and age-related issues, and it's going to be perfect in lightening up the skin. Vitamin E capsule can be used for the hair and also on the skin. Alright, so let's prepare all our ingredients together to give us a good lightening treatment. We're going to be needing a very small bowl, and I'm going to be scooping half tablespoon of gelatin powder into this bowl. Now you can actually scoop more than that, though there is no recommended measurement to this. You can scoop even less than that if you want, though, and I actually scoop more than half tablespoon. Then the next thing I'm going to be putting is 1 teaspoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon will be enough for this. For the rose water and glycerin, find 1 tablespoon. Okay, so I'm going to be using this. So this is half tablespoon though, so I'm going to be putting 2 of this to make up 1 tablespoon, and there it is. Now I would have to close that up and set it aside. To put in the vitamin E capsule, I would have to be using my tiny beautiful scissors and press that into it and then press that into. I would have to be, and you're going to be needing a little bit of water. Okay, so I'll be putting in just a little bit of water. Okay, it depending on how thick or how solid the treatment is. That's how you're just going to be putting the water to get the consistency that you desire for this treatment. Okay, it is still thick, and I'll still be putting in the water in it. Alright, then you're gonna be turning it and stirring it. Alright, so it's gonna be this thick, and the next thing we're going to do is to dissolve this. You can actually put this in a microwave and dissolve it, but I'm gonna be hot water to dissolve this, and I'm gonna be pouring hot water in this bowl so I can dissolve this. Okay, just like what you see me do, or you can actually use a microwave. Now when you put that, then you keep on stirring, and you're gonna see that the treatment is gonna be dissolving just like it's doing right now. It's actually dissolving. Okay, so you keep on stirring because it's gonna dissolve and be a little more liquidify. Yeah, you can see this is actually dissolving. I need it to dissolve even more, so I'm going to keep on stirring. Alright, so here is the skin lightening treatment, and you're just gonna leave it for it to cool a little bit. Okay, you're gonna be needing a brush. Alright, and then after you've kept it for it to cool a little bit, then you dip in the brush into the treatment just like what you see me do, and then you rub this over your face, okay, or over your skin, wherever you want to lighten up. Alright, and it's gonna be it should be a little bit warm on your skin, okay, because if it's not warm, it's like automatically drying off. So you do it this way. You apply it so much so when you want to peel it off, it's not going to be difficult to grab. Alright, alright, this is it, guys. So after you've applied this, you can leave it to dry. So I'm going to be leaving this to dry, and I'll be right back. Alright, so after I've left it to dry, now you don't have to leave it to dry too much, alright, so it doesn't pain any. Alright, so then this is how you're just going to peel it off. Okay, it is called a peel off mask. So like that, and then you peel everywhere. Now as you're peeling this marks off, it's gonna be a little painful because of the hair. If you don't want it to you know, kind of pain a little bit, you have to first of all wax the hair on your face, alright, or you wax the hair on your body. That's if you're actually using it on your body. Okay, then you peel it off like this. Okay, so for mine, I actually didn't leave it to dry too much. because if it dries very well, you're going to feel the hair coming out from your skin. If you're actually intending to remove hair, you can actually still use this and leave it to dry very well, so it's going to get rid of all those unwanted hair on your face. So this skin lightening treatment, you should use it once in a while though, alright, because it is actually a little painful when peeling it off. Okay, that is just the truth in it. When apply this once in a while or once in 2 weeks, okay, and you're gonna see a great result. Now the thing is that you have to be patient, because as you peel off, it's just going to peel off those dead skin cells from your skin. Now your skin is just going to be looking smooth, and it's also going to be lighter than the way it was. Anytime you want to apply this treatment, you have to make a new one, because if you leave it, it's going to go dry, like completely dry, and you're not going to be able to use it anymore. Alright guys, so peeling off this facial mask, can be painful if you have some hair on your face. So to avoid the pain, you have to first of all wax your face. But if you're aiming to remove some facial hair alongside removing some dead skin cells on your face, revealing a brighter and new skin, like a lightened skin, you can actually use it that way. But you have to bear the pain of peeling it off, because it's gonna give you a little pain, how that is. Anyway, so that's it guys, and it's gonna work. Well, it is not good for everybody, because some people have fragile skin. So if you have a fragile skin, don't use the peel off mask. In fact, don't use the gelatin. You can use every other ingredients, okay, it's gonna be good, but don't use the gelatin, so it does not peel your give you some stuff on your skin. Alright, so that's it guys. If you did love the video, please do thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, that way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any personal questions you want to ask me, please do ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. So follow me on Instagram guys. I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye guys.